Hello everyone, I am Professor Mutkule Priya. Today we are going to discuss about the introduction of the computer graphics. So in that we are going to see what is mean by computer graphics. Okay. So computer graphics can be stated as anything which is present on the computer screen in non-text form. Okay, non-text form. In the other way, we can also say it as anything which is present on the computer screen in the pictorial form. Okay, in the pictorial form, it is called as computer graphics. That is non-text form. Means what? What is the meaning of non-text? Excluding of the text. Okay. So this is the basic definition of computer graphics. Now let's see some applications of computer graphics. So many of you have heard about the animated movies. Okay, so animated movies are one of the example of computer graphics. Animated movies. Okay, then what after that? CAD CAM design. CAD CAM design, that is computer aided design. So these designs are basically used in the mechanical engineering field for creation of various parts related to the mechanical. Okay, computer aided design. So this is the second application of computer graphics. Then third application is cartoons. Okay, and other so many applications of there of the computer graphics, but I have just listed some of the basic applications of computer graphics. Okay, so computer graphics is a very important field in the field of computer engineering. Okay. So in that now we are going to discuss about the basic concept in the computer graphics. Okay, so some of the basic concept I am going to list here. Then we'll see the basic concept one by one. So first is pixel. Then second one is resolution. Then third one is frame buffer. Then aspect ratio. And last one is refresh rate. Okay, so these are some basic concepts in the field of computer graphics. So first concept is pixel. Okay, so many have heard about the concept pixel. So what is pixel? We can say pixel is the smallest addressable screen element present on the computer screen. Smallest addressable element. Okay, smallest addressable element. So what is meaning of this smallest addressable element? Let's consider the general example. Suppose you are just viewing one particular picture. Okay, suppose the picture of flower. So if you want to see the pixel of that picture, just zoom that picture. Suppose this is the flower which is displaying on your computer screen. So just zoom this image. You will see some small blocks. Okay, small blocks like structure. So these blocks are nothing but what? These blocks are called as pixel. Okay. Suppose let's consider this block. This is called one pixel. This is called one pixel. Okay. So such a thousands, or we can say such a millions, trillions of pixels present on the computer screen. Okay. And each pixel is having one particular address. Address in the sense, the computer screen is divided into two coordinates, x coordinate and y coordinate. Like our normal Cartesian coordinate system, the computer screen is also divided into two axes. That is, this is y axis and this is x axis. Okay. So address means what? X-axis element or position which is belongs to the particular x-axis and position which is belongs to the particular y-axis. Suppose for this pixel, the position we can treat as 2, 10. Okay, so we can say that this pixel is having address 2, 10. Okay, and as I have already said that what the computer screen consists of what? Millions or trillions of pixels, and these pixels together to form a particular image of anything. Okay, so this is the first concept, that is pixel. Now second concept is resolution. So what is resolution? We can define resolution as number of pixels along x-axis and y-axis. Okay, number of pixels along x-axis and y-axis. You might heard or you might saw about this resolution concept in your normal computer. If we click on my computer icon, right click on my computer icon, in that just click on properties. Then in properties you will see the resolution tab. So this resolution tab is nothing but for number of pixels along x-axis and number of pixels along y-axis. Okay. In short, how many pixels are present on the x-axis and y-axis is called as what? A resolution. Okay. The resolution, as I have already said, that examples are what? Examples of resolution: 4028 into 748. Okay, like this example you have saw in what? Properties of display. Okay, so this is the concept of resolution. Now third concept is what? Third concept is frame buffer. So what is frame buffer? Now the pixel, as I have said, that it is the smallest addressable screen element present on computer screen. So these millions and trillions of pixels have to be stored somewhere. Okay, so these millions of trillions pixels have to be stored somewhere. So the memory area for storing the pixel, or we can say the definition of pixel. Definition of pixel. Sorry, not definition. Definition of particular picture. So that particular definition of picture will be stored in what? Frame buffer. Okay. So this frame buffer is like kind of memory. Memory to store what? Definition of picture. Definition of picture means what? How the picture is going to represent on the screen. Then what are its x coordinates, y coordinates, okay, what is the address of that pixel, like that. So these definition will be stored in what? Frame buffer. So next concept is what? Aspect ratio. So aspect ratio means what? Number of pixel present on horizontal and vertical side. Okay, number of pixel present on horizontal and vertical side is called as what? Aspect ratio. Okay, then a refresh rate. So this is the important concept. In the next video, I am going to explain the working of the traditional display system. Means in the traditional display system, CRT tube has been used. CRT means cathode ray tube. So working of that cathode ray tube we are going to discuss in next video. So at that time, you will understand what is mean by refresh rate. So I am just defining the refresh rate. Refresh rate means what? The repetition of the particular picture on the computer screen. Okay. So if you want to display particular picture, then that picture should be repeated constantly. Okay, or at particular rate. So that rate is called as what? Refresh rate. Okay. So in the today's video, what we have discussed regarding what is computer graphics, then applications of computer graphics, and some basic concept related to the computer graphics. So in next video, we're going to discuss some video display devices which are used to display the images on the computer screen, and we'll also discuss the cathode ray tube. So thank you so much all of you for watching the video.